auta, paksiw na bangus. Kaya ganyan po yung sabaw kasi yung ginamit niyan, tuba. Tuba.
Masarap.
I can't really describe exactly what it sounded like, but
Kaya kapag bangus ang sudano, masarap magkamay.
I don't know, maybe some kind of bird, but it's definitely up there. Also, earlier when I heard some heavy like thuds and
Ito sabaw, tikman mo.
steps or whatever, but
Ito lang
it's like something was scurrying across. I thought it was just squirrels or something, but could be something heavier. Damn, I'll have to go down and take a look up.
Sarap sa yung sa bangus, no, yung kakainin mo yung ano, yung taba ng bangus.
Swerte din ang bangus.
Pambansang isda ko siya.